Welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Are you ready to make some spooky Halloween treats? Well, Halloween might be a frightening time of year. Gotta watch out for those ghosts. But we like to focus on the more chocolatey part of the holiday. These chocolate lollipops and homemade candies are perfect for any Halloween party, buffet table, or to pass out on Halloween night. You'll also be surprised at how simple they are to make. So let's get started. You will need some McCall's Easy Melt chocolate wafers in orange, white, green, and black. You will also need a pack of lollipop sticks. Line up your clean Halloween chocolate molds. Today we are using Ghost Holding Pumpkin Lollipop mold, Mummy Lollipop mold, Bat Lollipop molds, Pumpkin molds, and Assorted Halloween shapes. You can find these and many more Halloween chocolate molds on our website at mccalls.ca. Melt the orange and green chocolate wafers over a double boiler. Use a small paintbrush to paint the stem of each pumpkin green. Be sure to use enough chocolate to cover the stem completely. Make all of the stems green on every mold that has a pumpkin. This is the most efficient way to make multiple chocolate shapes at once. With a clean, small paintbrush, paint all of the pumpkins orange. Be sure to get in all the grooves of each pumpkin. Get out some melted white and dark chocolate. Scoop some dark chocolate into a parchment paper cone. Fold the cone and then snip off the tip to pipe the chocolate. Pipe the dark chocolate into the mold and then tap the tray gently to even out the chocolate and prevent any air bubbles. Pipe more dark chocolate into the pumpkin mold, piping right over the orange chocolate that you painted before. When you pipe the dark chocolate, be sure to fill the stems as well as the round part of the pumpkin. You want to fill the mold as much as possible. More chocolate is always better. Fill a new parchment paper cone with the melted chocolate. Close the cone to prevent the chocolate from dripping out. Did you know that a parchment paper cone is also called a paper cornet? Fill the skull mold with white chocolate. Fill the ghost holding a pumpkin lollipop mold with the white chocolate as well. Don't forget to tap the tray to prevent the air bubbles and make the chocolate smooth and solid. Use a spoon to scoop the dark chocolate into the bat lolly mold. Try to keep the chocolate as neat as possible. You can use a lollipop stick to gently push the chocolate into the pointy parts of the bat's wings. Dip the lollipop stick in the melted chocolate and then place it in the lollipop mold. Roll the stick in the chocolate before placing it down to ensure that it sticks well. Dip the lollipop stick in the white chocolate and then place them in the ghosts. Use the rest of the white chocolate to fill the other chocolate square molds. The white and black contrast will look pretty in a spooky way. Tap the tray again to smooth the chocolate. Fill the skull chocolates with the dark chocolate, once again making a nice contrast between the dark and white chocolate. Let the chocolate sit at room temperature to set and harden. Scoop the melted white chocolate into the mummy lolly mold and then add the lollipop sticks. Scoop some white chocolate into another paper cornet and pipe the small ghost chocolates. Once all the chocolate has set, flip the mold into a plastic cutting board and tap gently to release the chocolates. They should pop out cleanly. If the chocolate sticks, let them sit and cool longer. They may be soft and sticking because they are still too warm. We know it can be hard to wait, but it will be worth the effort when you have perfect Halloween chocolates. If you are excited to make these Halloween candies, head over to McCall's.ca, where you can find all the supplies you need. If you make these awesome Halloween chocolates, take a picture and tag us at #LoveMcCalls. For more great baking and pastry tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and give us a like and a follow on Facebook. We are always posting new videos that will help you make the most perfect desserts. We'll see you next week with our next video.